Hey guys, today I will show you a very quick and easy way to construct a pandas data frame right inside Excel. Just recently I have created the following add-in called MyToolBelt. This add-in is absolutely free. At the end of this tutorial I will show you how you can install it, but for now let me go ahead and demonstrate what this add-in can do for you. Simply click on the Create Pandas Data Frame button. Afterwards, this input box appears. Now select the range you want to transform into a pandas data frame and click OK. And that's it. The add-in has now generated a Python file in the workbooks directory. In the Python file you will see that the toolbelt uses the pandas library and the readExcel method. If you run the script you will get back a pandas data frame. To define the range of the data frame, the toolbelt inserted the Excel file name, sheet name, how many rows it needs to skip, which column you want to use, and how many rows are included in your selection. To interact with Excel, I am using the OpenPyXL library. Make sure you have this library installed by typing pip install OpenPyXL in your command prompt or terminal. Back in the Excel file, I will create a couple of more data frames. Just click the button, select the range, and that's it. You will notice that the toolbelt will not override any existing Python file. Instead, it will increment the file name by a number. As before, when I open up the files, you can see that the add-in created the Python code to correctly read in the Excel file and construct the data frame. You can download the add-in from my website. I will leave the link in the description box. Once downloaded, extract the archive. In the folder, you will find the Excel add-in. Right-click on the file and select Copy. As a next step, open up Microsoft Excel. You can either create a new workbook or use an existing one. Then navigate to File, Options, Add-ins and click on Go. In the new window, click on Browse. This will open up the default add-in directory of Microsoft Excel. Paste the add-in into this folder. As I have it already installed, I will not replace it. Once done, select the file and click OK. Make sure the toolbelt is chosen before pressing OK again. If everything worked, you should now have a new ribbon inside your Excel file. From now on, this add-in will be available to you whenever you open up Microsoft Excel. The toolbelt has actually much more to offer. I also created a dedicated video to explain and show you all the different buttons. You can find the video under Add-in Info and then click on Tutorial. I will also make sure to leave the video link in the description box. Okay guys, and that's it for this tutorial. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.